In this video, we're going to see a good example of how a boating accident unfolds over the radio, and they are given aid by the Coast Guard, and how boaters help one another and help you to feel comforted and like you're not out there completely by yourself, at least in protected waters. To protect the privacy of everyone involved, I've omitted any identifying details given in the radio call. Hi, I'm Sandy.
And I'm Paul, and we're aboard Oasis. We're now living part-time in Washington, in the San Juan Islands. We always enjoyed outdoor activities and exploring, so now we're spending time exploring this area as well as Canada and eventually Alaska.
And we want to share our experience and adventures with you and people like you who enjoy the same kinds of things. So welcome aboard. We are enjoying a beautiful sunny day in Washington on our way from Friday Harbor to Anacortes with a friend of ours as a guest that we've known for over 35 years. Then we heard the distress call over the radio.
2 on board, clear out.
Time code for second feet is not allowed. Good copy. Are you currently taking on any water? Over.
Stand by, please. Yes, we are taking on water.
Code for second feet is sound. Roger. Good copy. What is the description of the vessel to include type, length, and color?
Yeah, it is.
Approximately how many gallons per minute of water are you taking on at this time?
Yet to be determined. I'm going to hand you to my wife so I can assess the damage. Here she is.
Want to go over there and help them?
We could.
I can't really tell how much water is being taken on, but it's broken through the hull of the boat.
Oh, let's go. That's scary.
Well, if they're on the rocks.
Yeah, we could take the dinghy.
Where are you located?
Let's go.
Coast Guard, are you able to walk ashore, or how deep is the water? Are you able to tell? And are you on a rock? Over.
We are on a rock, and I currently cannot see in the bilge area.
That's
water,
Center Island.
so we may just be hung up on the rock. Over.
Tell them we'll go get them.
Yeah. How many miles is it?
To confirm, you are not taking on water. When you looked in the bilge, there was no water in the
No, I
bilge?
was saying it was.
I cannot, there's no water in the bilge, correct.
But it's through the hull.
Coast Guard Oasis, we're approximately 5 miles from them if you'd like us to head towards them.
Do you have insurance through Towboat US or any other towing service? Or?
Boat US.
They didn't hear you, I don't think.
Roger, good copy. So would you like us to contact Boat US on your behalf? Also, what is a cell phone number for you on board if you have one?
We have cell phone. We would be pleased to call Boat US on our behalf. I'll call them. I just got the number.
Okay.
Got a phone call right now. I don't know if that's Boat US or not. Hang on, please.
Yeah.
He's probably stressed beyond belief right now.
22 Alpha.
quickly realized the upper helm marine radio was not working properly and we couldn't be heard.
You got another radio down below. Let me try that one.
It's the motor vessel Oasis on 22 Alpha.
Over.
Yeah, we're about 4 miles away from your location. Do you need immediate assistance?
We're sitting on a rock is basically what, and we hit it pretty hard, but we don't see that we're taking on water. Over.
Okay, I understand you're waiting for a towboat US. We could be there in relatively short order if you need immediate assistance, or if you'd rather wait for towboat, that's up to you.
Yes, we would like that. Over.
Okay.
Okay, we'll head over your direction. This is a motor vessel Oasis. We'll be standing by in 22 Alpha.
Thank you. Over.
Right straight ahead almost?
Yeah.
Can you scroll down here instead of a point to go to? It's got to be one of these passes right in here. Oh,
This is Coast Guard Sector. Concerns on board, and do you have food and water? Over.
yeah, if I just go to the shore of Decatur and just head down the shoreline and see what you can find. See how many rocks I can find? Yeah.
Roger, south from James Island.
Yeah, Coast Guard, it's Oasis. Is this radio any better?
Oasis Sector, much better. Have you loud and clear?
Okay, yeah, we're about 4 to 5 miles away, and we're headed that way to stand by till towboat gets there. That would be wonderful. Thank you very much. Oasis will be standing by on 22 Alpha.
On channel 22 Alpha, about the way the island farm safety zone. Just as that plan, I'm about to do right now.
That looks like a vessel. Oh. We are going to turn around and head back to Anacortes. Yeah, we've all been there one time or another, so good luck to you. Okay, bye-bye.
You know, unfortunately, accidents do happen. And according to the United States Coast Guard, the top 5 types of accidents are recreational vehicles colliding into one another, collision with a fixed object, flooding or swamping, grounding, or falling overboard. And not surprisingly, most of the deaths are drowning accidents. And again, unfortunately, 3/4 of those who die are not wearing their life jacket. Lastly, the primary contributing factors to accidents is operator inattention, poor or improper lookout, and operator inexperience. Driving too fast and alcohol use came in 5th and 6th. This time, the vessel in distress and her crew are going to be okay, except for being a little shaken by the experience and really shaken when the costs for repairs roll in. It ended well. No one was injured, no one died, and they were comforted knowing there were 2 nearby vessels who responded to their call. Still, it can seem like an eternity for someone to arrive when you're the boat that's damaged and you're taking on water. But Washington State is doing their part by mandating that anyone who is 12 years of age or older, anyone operating a 15 horsepower motor or above, or anyone who was born after January 1st of 1955 have to take a boater education course and pass it and have their card to prove it. to operate a boat in Washington. Our little boat dog in training, Kaya, is so sweet, and she's getting used to the boat. The sound of the engine, some of the wind noises, some of the beeps that go on are all unfamiliar to her. So several times she got scared and really just wanted to cuddle her head on Mom's shoulder. She is going to do great. She's an intelligent little dog, and I'm sure you'll be seeing more of her as she learns the ropes of being a boat dog. Thanks for watching, and I hope that if you enjoyed this video, you will subscribe. It's as simple as clicking the subscribe box in this corner of the screen while you're watching the video. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.